Now I will be doing 64. Okay. Okay, 64 and B. Question says given x is equal to root of a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus root of a square minus b square by a square plus b square minus root of a square minus b square. Okay. Using component dividend, prove something. Okay, solution. We'll use component dividend. Using component and dividend. This is x by 1. It becomes x plus 1 by x minus 1. This side, same thing, already applied, so it is simplify only. You get a square plus b square, a square minus b square. Yes, Amana, okay. Now squaring both the sides to remove the square root, squaring both sides. When you square both the sides, it becomes x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Here root will go. You get a square plus b square by a square minus b square. Now I will expand it using the formula a plus b whole square formula. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This one just copy. Once again I apply componendo dividendo using componendo and dividendo again. So from here till here till the same thing already applied here also, this side also applied. Both the sides is applied. I let x squared plus 1 by 2x. Here I will be writing a squared by b squared. The thing which you have to prove, b square is the subject of formula. B square will come here, x square plus 1 will go down. You can do cross multiply like this. B square bracket x square plus 1 is equal to a square into this. You get 2a square x, making b square the subject, 2 square x by x square plus 1 is the answer. See the answer came out. You want me to do which one? Tell me first, 69 or 71? Okay, 71 I will do this. See your mistake. Question says if 7n plus 2n by 7n minus 2n equal to 5 by 3, using the proportion to find number one, first thing you have to find is n is to n, and second thing which you have to find is m squared plus n squared by m squared minus n squared. Okay. First we write down the thing what's been given. 7n plus 2n, 7n minus 2n is equal to 5 by 3. Now componendo dividendo, using componendo and dividendo. This becomes 7 by 2n, 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 3. Here it is getting 7 by 2n, 8 by 2, we can cancel 2 ones are 4s are. n by n is the subject of formula, 2 4s are becoming 8, 7 ones are 7. We got the value of first part, n by n value is coming, therefore we can write this, therefore m is to n is equal to 8 is to 7, the first answer. Now for the second part, this answer we have to find, then there is a square, we will square that, then since m by n value we found 8 by 7, squaring both the sides, squaring both sides. Here it will come m square, it will come n square. 64 by 49. Now I will do componendo dividendo. Using componendo and dividendo, this will be m square plus n square, this will be m square minus n square, this will become 64 plus 49, this will become 64 minus 49. Let us find the answer. 9 4 13, 113. Subtract. 14 minus 9 is 5. 5 minus 15. Does it cancel? If it doesn't cancel, this is answer. I think it does not cancel. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. No. From here only you will carry or you will find that answer. Don't do that. No. You have to do addition. First you find x by y. No, 69 number you will do x by y. And then here your cube is a power is cube. No, there you have to do cubing both the sides, cubing both the sides. And then you apply after cubing it, then use component derivative. Then the answer will come. Don't do like that. Because this is not known, the value of this one you have to find. So don't do that way. So you do like this. No, like that answer will come, but m value you cannot take 8. You are taking 8 to value. A value taking what? 7 square, that is 49. Yeah, A value taking 7. No, that is because they are ratio of ratio that we cannot take equal. They are, otherwise they would have been equal. No, they are not equal. Don't take that way, it will become wrong, you will not get marks. Understand? You cannot take like this, A is equal to 8, A equal to 7, you cannot take like that. That is the wrong method, you have to do like this. Yes. Y will not come. Tell me the first answer, x by y value. What is the value of x by y coming? 5 by 3, no? Yes? Cubing both the side, what is the answer here? X cube by y cube. 125 by 27. You are cubing this side, no? 5 cube is 125, 3 cube is 27. Huh? Did you get it? Now component of derivative will give the answer what? X cube plus y cube, x cube minus y cube. Here it will come 125 plus 27. Here it will come 125 minus 27. What is the answer coming here? Add them. 152. Our author is coming how much? Wait, no, you have to cancel there. You have to cancel. Check if they are cancelling and they will reduce to lowest term. That is the answer. You need to cancel. 249. This one cancel now. 2 7s are 2 6 are. Does it cancel anymore? I don't think it is cancelled. The answer is 76 by 49. Check the answer. Huh? (125 by 27). Oh, that was a mistake. That was a mistake in the book. The answer is this only, 76 by 49. Book's answer is wrong. Yes. Yeah, okay. Which time? 58. A, B, C, D are in continuous proportion. Prove that this value. Like that time will not come. You want me to do one? Or you know it? This time will not come. They will ask you question like component to dividend type. Okay, mainly that type you have to concentrate. And mean proportional, those two types. That's why I did not give. Whatever types I gave, no. Yeah? Which one? The answer at the back is given wrong over there for that question, okay? So now we start new, It was coming 152 by 49, no? 92. 98 is coming, no? Then cancel with 2, then the answer was that only.